Hello guys, this is Alex here. So I haven't been doing videos lately for a while, but I thought I'd make this video here about making uh, snow chains for your lawnmower. Um, yeah, so let's just get to it. I'm using this kind of chain here. It is one reel 65 foot, but you cut off 15 feet, so I got 50 foot of number 4 straight coil zinc working load limit 205 pounds. Doesn't matter what the working load limit is, because you're not going to be lifting anything with the chain. So I'm going to show you my design of them. I think I might add in a couple more cross pieces across the tread, but otherwise I think she's good. So here's my design here, if you guys can see it. Let's go plug in these other lights over here. I got this heater here on high, and that heater over there warming up so it doesn't crack the glass on it. And then a low, hit the cord for the other light. And there we go. A little brighter. Maybe we can see the other side more. Yeah, there we go. There we go. There we go. Okay, that's my design there. What I did is made 2 circles for around the rim, or for around the tire. I made my circle's 37 links long. For the outside and the inside, and the same thing for the other tire. And I believe these cross braces here that are actually going to be touching the snow are 10 links. They're 10 links. Let's see, how many do I got? I think there's 7 or 8 cross pieces on here. I think I might do more, but I'm not really sure, you know. I was gonna do a video of me making them, but I got in a hurry and I forgot to do a video about them. So what you could do is let all the air out of the tire and do 1 link less for each cross brace, and then air them up, and then so they'd be tighter, because these ones here aren't a little loose, you know. You could do that, but I didn't want to, you know. What's on this one here? 1, 2, 3. There's 7 on this one too. 7 cross braces. On the same side, the same as the other side of this thing here. The circle here is 37 links on the outside and the inside. I'm working on building or getting a snowplow for the front of the lawnmower. It needs I gotta straighten out the back pulley here. Run the transaxle down there. Otherwise, straighten the transaxle pulley. I got a new belt for it. I gotta hook up a kill switch, I think, to it. And I gotta do a what the hell is that? A solenoid. I got the solenoid, but I gotta put it in. I got a battery sitting over there. over there for it, but it was an old battery I kept in here over a couple of winters, and it froze, and acid all over, so I had to wash that off. Motor starts, runs, but it just needs a new solenoid and a kill switch. I have a tachometer for this lawnmower that I think I might be putting on it. Yeah. What else? Yeah, I've seen some snowplows on Craigslist for like $150, $200, $300, but there was one on there, an ad on there that had a plow and chains for Craftsman lawnmower. That was for $75, but I think the guy sold it because he hasn't gotten back to me yet. So, yeah. What I used for doing the chains on here, like tools and stuff, I just used a bolt cutter. You open it and with the chain. Let's put this down. You open it, put the chain here, shut it, and it cuts the chain. I don't know if I'd go any smaller than number 4, because as you see, don't look at this thing here, because that's just what I have holding it in there. This is actually the chain. This here is actually the chain. I don't know if I'd go any smaller than number 4, because it was kind of hard to, not hard to cut, but it won't cut too good, I used that, Jesus Christ, I just lost it. The bolt cutter. I used the bolt cutter, I used the pliers. You can use 1 pliers, but I used 2. What I did is oh, here, I might have one here. Yeah, see here? I can grab it. This is what I did here. I took one side of it, and I cut it, and what I did was I put the cut side out so it wouldn't rub into the tire, and I pinched this, oops, shit, hold on, I pinched to this here, that little stubby, I pinched that in so the chain couldn't come out, and that's how I did it. You could probably use thicker chain. Oh, I know you could use thicker chain for sure, but I really didn't want to have too much weight in the back end, because this transaxle I think is about shot anyways. Yeah. But you could put bigger chain. I might run a couple strips of chain down like the center of the tire so it has more grip. Two on each side. I got a winch here for my for my 4-wheeler. but I haven't got putting it on. So I might put it on the front of this lawnmower here. And I was talking about putting a plow on it. Ignore the strap. But yeah, I might put it on there somewhere. I don't know where, but I might, maybe. Yeah, I might. I might just have a hand lever to lift up to, you know, but I don't know. Needs a new muffler, you know. It's blew out, but if I get a new muffler, I'm just gonna do a exhaust system, like straight pipe it from. Well, take that muffler off because that's just a straight pipe right there coming out of the engine. Take it off, run it down underneath the floorboard here. Run it all the way back, I think, to somewhere back here, or I might side pipe it off the side here.